Hello students, today I will discuss macroeconomics, particularly MCQ type of questions. You perhaps know that you will have to sit for the examination. You will have to give 20 marks examination on each subject. On economics, you have to give 20 marks exam. 10 from macro and 10 from Indian economic development. 10 from Indian economic development. ও ক্লাস 11 আর্টসের সঙ্গে যোগ হয়ে গেছে। Now I am giving you some objective type of questions which is as sample paper. Number 1, increase in the stock of capital is known as A, capital loss, B, capital gain, C, capital formation, and D, none of these. Which is the answer? You have to find out. Increase in the stock of capital is known as A, capital loss, B, capital gain, C, capital formation, and D, none of these. Increase in the stock of capital. So it is not loss, capital loss cannot be increased. Capital gain, increase in the stock of capital. It cannot be, but capital formation, that is increase in the stock of capital. In capital stock যদি বেড়ে যায় তাকে capital formation বলে. So C is the answer, and capital gain means the capital gained by something, some way, but normal increasing of capital is known as capital formation due to increase in stock of capital. So C is the answer, capital formation. Number 2, depreciation of reserve fund. Depreciation of reserve fund is needed for is needed for A. For what? A. Inventory stock. Inventory stock. Inventory stock. B. Advertisement. C. Replacement of investment. Replacement of investment. And D, none of these. None of these. Which is the answer? Replacement of investment, and that is depreciation of reserve fund. Depreciation means loss of capital due to normal wear and tear or accidental damage, etc., etc. So, if depreciation of reserve fund is needed for what? Why it is needed? That is depreciation reserve fund. Reserve fund is a type of fund which maintains or fill up the depreciation cost. If any machine is depreciated, then it is replaced, and for this matter, depreciation fund is needed. So, investment stock, inventory stock. Number 2 is advertisement, or number 3 replacement of investment, and D is none of these above. So, replacement of investment, যদি wear and tear হয় তাহলে রিজার্ভ ফান্ড রিপ্লেসমেন্ট অফ ইনভেস্টমেন্টকে রিপ্লেস করে যেটা। ওকে, okay, number 3, I think. Capital account may be number 3. Capital account may be A, private capital, B, banking capital, C, official capital, and D, অবস্থা খারাপ হয়ে গেল, all the above. D হচ্ছে all the above. all the above. So capital account may be capital contra private capital, na banking capital, official capital, or all the above. Actually, all the above because all these are capital account. So D is the answer. D is the answer. I am giving you some sample to follow for the examination because most of the question will be set on MCQ type. Number 4. Factor services rendered. Factor services rendered by the household to the firms lead to factor services going to lead to A. Real flow, B. Money flow, C. Service flow, and D. Both A and C. Both A and C. So, factor services rendered by the households to the firms lead to real flow, money flow, service flow, both A and C. देखो, factor service rendered by the land labor capital, factor services. So, it is real flow or money flow. It is not money flow. Service flow. So, service flow and D both A and C. So, I think it is real flow. Because service rendered by any person is not only the service but it is the real flow of the factor services. It may not be only service, it may be land, labor and capital. These four factors all does not give service except labor. So, it is real flow. Whether it is land, whether it is labor, that is real flow. Number 5. Basis of the difference between basis of the difference between the concept of MP and FC. MP and FC is a direct taxes, indirect taxes B, C, is subsidies and D, net indirect tax. Net indirect tax. So, basis of the difference between the concept of MP and FC. MP means market price, FC means factor cost. What is the basic difference between direct tax? Direct tax, what do you mean by direct tax? The tax which is directly deducted from the income of the incumbent if he comes under, if his income comes under the taxable one. So it is direct tax. And so basis of difference between the concept of MP and FC, it does not include. Whether market price or factor cost, it does not include. So indirect taxes. Indirect taxes is the tax which is paid by person who is not the real taxpayer. Who is not the real taxpayer, sales tax. Suppose you purchased a computer set and for this reason you have to pay tax, sales tax to the seller, and you are not paying the tax directly to the government. The tax paid by you to the sellers, and the seller is collecting the tax and paying that amount to the government within the financial year. So it is indirect tax. Tax is paid by you, but the direct taxpayer is the shopkeeper. Therefore, it is indirect tax. Now, subsidies are given by the government to decrease the price or somebody else. So it is subsidies. So basis of difference between the concept of MP and FC, market price and factor cost, does not include subsidies. So what should be the answer? Net indirect tax. Why it is net indirect tax? Basis of the difference between the concept of MP, market price. Market price means the price at which the commodity is sold. Market price means the price at which the commodity is sold. And factor cost is the cost which is incurred by the producer for the 4 factors of production like land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. Therefore, this is the factor cost, the cost of the producer for the land or labor or capital or the entrepreneur is the cost of the producer, that is factor cost. But the basis of MP is when factor cost is added Factor cost is added with indirect tax. আমি আগেই বলছি sales tax যেমন. So indirect tax, when indirect tax is added with market price, it becomes factor cost. So net indirect tax. Net indirect tax means tax, direct tax minus subsidy. Direct tax minus subsidy is NIT, that is net indirect tax. So this is the answer, because with the market price NIT is added, and that is the difference between the concept of MP and FC, factor cost and market price. This is the basis of difference between these two. I think it is clear. Just I am giving some examples of MCQ which you will have to face during the coming examination of 20 marks. Six, final burden of dash cannot be shifted to others. To others. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct alternative. Direct tax. Direct tax. B. Indirect tax. C. Subsidies. And D. Net indirect tax, NIT. NIT, which is the final burden of dash cannot be shifted to others. Options: direct tax, indirect tax, subsidies, and NIT. NIT means net indirect tax. Now direct tax, I told you, the tax which cannot be shifted on others, কারো উপরে ছাড়া যায় না. And so the burden of direct tax cannot be shifted to others. Burden of direct tax cannot be shifted to each other. Right? So final burden of dash cannot be shifted to others. Indirect tax shift kora jay. Seller shifts the tax on the buyer. Subsidy is no question of tax. NIT, net indirect tax, because indirect tax minus subsidy is equal to. So direct tax is the final burden of direct tax cannot be shifted to others. And direct tax is imposed on the income of the incumbent. So he cannot shift this burden to others. Anyone is not responsible to pay the tax for him. And last one is plastic money includes number 7. Plastic money includes A. Debit cards. Debit cards. B. Credit cards. C. Prepaid cash card. Prepaid cash card. And D. All of the above. All of the above. Which is the answer? দেখো প্লাস্টিক মানি যেমন আমাদের ডেবিট কার্ড ক্রেডিট কার্ড আছে সো ডেবিট কার্ড এটা প্লাস্টিক মানি ক্রেডিট কার্ড প্লাস্টিক মানি প্রিপেড ক্যাশ কার্ড যেটা প্লাস্টিক মানি সো অল অফ দ্য অ্যাবাভ ইজ দ্য আনসার অল অফ দ্য অ্যাবাভ ইজ দ্য আনসার Is it clear to you? I think should be clear. If you have any question, you may ask later on. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for today.